I cook for a living 5 days per week. I love my job, but it can be exhausting. Usually weeknight dinners are simple and quick, and I have the most energy in the morning. These chicken wings make a great weeknight meal. Not only are they very tasty, but they are quick, inexpensive to make, and require minimal effort when I get home. Before heading to work, I like to prepare the marinade, and it only takes a few minutes. In a glass or ceramic bowl, I combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, also known as tomato ketchup, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, a scant 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese fried spice powder, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and 2 cloves of garlic, either grated or finely chopped. Stir the marinade well. Then add 1 kilo of chicken wings or winglets, which are actually chicken wings cut in half. Make sure they're thoroughly coated. Cover the bowl and pop it in the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour and up to overnight. Back home and it's time to cook. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius fan force, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a big tray with aluminium foil for easy cleanup and place the chicken wings on the tray, giving them some space. They go in the oven for about 30 minutes and there's no need to turn them. Meanwhile, put the leftover marinade in a small pot, bring it to a boil, then simmer for about 5 minutes. This makes a delicious sauce to spoon over the chicken wings. I like to serve this dish with some rice and some greens for a complete meal. I don't own a rice cooker, mainly because I don't have adequate bench space for appliances, but a pot works perfectly. Boil plenty of water, salt it, add basmati rice, stir gently and bring it back to a boil. Place a strainer with broccolini on top, cover loosely with a lid, reduce the heat and cook for about 12 minutes. Once the chicken is done, it's time to serve. Pile some rice into bowls, add the chicken wings and the greens. Spoon over some of that yummy sauce. It's a pretty healthy dinner and very delicious. We demolished this kilo of chicken between the two of us. The recipe is in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again soon.